Today, a delicious and rare Tuscan pasta, rigatoni alla Buttera. Let's do it. And to make this deliciously meaty, spicy and indulgent pasta, we're going to want to start with some onion. So take your onion, chop it in half, and you want to dice up your onion fairly fine. And then you're going to want to pop a frying pan onto the hob, turn the heat to medium, add a nice splash of olive oil, and then chuck in your finely diced onion. Season the onion immediately with some sea salt, and next we're going to want to prep some chili. So take a couple of chilies, chop off the ends, and then dice up your chili, leaving in the seeds. Chuck your diced chili into the pan with the onions. Spend a minute to start to sweat that down while we prepare some garlic. Take a few cloves of your garlic, give them a smash with the back of a knife, remove the skins, and then you want to dice up your garlic really nice and fine. And you're going to want to throw in a couple of teaspoons of your garlic into the pan. So while the garlic, onion and chili is sweating down in the pan, we're going to want to prepare our sausage. So take some beautiful pork sausages, and you simply want to remove the skins, and then take a fork and mash up your sausage meat a little bit before we chuck it in. Chuck your sausage meat into the pan, and you're going to want to get some beautiful caramelization on the sausage while breaking it apart with a wooden spoon or a spatula. At this point, you can turn the heat up a touch and keep frying away until you've got some lovely caramelization on the sausage. Then you're going to want some lovely tomato passata. Pour in your passata until it just about covers all of the ingredients, and then give that a really good stir through, and you're going to want to spend about 10 to 15 minutes to reduce down the passata until the sauce is nice and thick, almost like a bolognese. So very quickly, give the video a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. And while your sauce is reducing down, we're going to want to prepare some beautiful black olives. Here I'm using stone-in olives, so I just give them a small slice with a knife and then rip them open and remove the stones. Chuck in your olives, give them a really good stir through, and just let that gently simmer for the last couple of minutes. At this point, you're going to want to take a saucepan, fill the saucepan up with some water, heavily season your pasta water. We want it to be as salty as the sea. And then you're going to want some lovely dried rigatoni. Chuck your rigatoni into the water, and you want to cook your pasta for 2 minutes less than it says on the packet. And very quickly, I'd really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button below to make sure your pasta is going to be perfectly al dente. Give it a taste, and when it's just shy of perfectly al dente, you want to take another frying pan, add a really nice blob of your sauce, and then chuck your perfectly cooked pasta into the pan, and make sure you add a nice splash of the pasta water and give that a really good stir through and a mix by tossing the pasta in the sauce. And then we're ready to serve. And there we have some beautiful rigatoni alla Buttera. See you next time.